Let's try this again. For problem number 3, remember this negative sign is kind of like multiplying by a -1. That's why I made you guys multiply by a +1, is I wanted you guys to see that we're actually distributing a term here. So -1 times 2b to the 4th power, what's that? Yeah, it's -2b to the 4th power. Now let's do this one. -1, and you got to think of the sign in front of the number, right? So think -1 times -7. So what's -1 times -7? +7, so put the plus sign. Now the front one, you're kind of like multiplying by a +1, right? And if you were to, it's just itself, right? So that would just be 6b to the 3rd plus 5b to the 4th. Now this one, we're going to combine like terms, but we're going to go in descending order. So descending order means that we're going to go the highest power first, plus or minus a number, then the next power, and then the next power, whatever they have. So I noticed that we have this b to the 4th. So that's positive 5b to the 4th. And I notice I have this -2b to the 4th. And then those are the only two that have b to the 4th. So then I'm going to combine that. What's 5 minus 2? 3. So way over here in the front, I'm going to say 3b to the 4th. Check that off the list. Boop, boop. Next, I got to choose a different color. I see I have b to the 3rd. Technically, that's a positive 6b to the 3rd. That's the only one that's b to the 3rd, so I write that down. Positive 6b to the 3rd. Check that off the list. There are no b squareds, right? There are no b's to the 1st power. And the only thing I have left is this constant +7. So I say +7. And that's it. That's your final answer. Okay? How many of you guys got that? Good. The trick here is that this negative sign, a lot of people will multiply it by the first term and then they forget to multiply it by the second term. Don't do that. Okay? Remember to distribute it through all the terms in the parentheses.